Good morning, world. It's a day in the life with your boy Johnny. I'm gonna grab something to eat. Usually in the morning I keep it pretty light. Feeling pretty clean this morning, so just gotta eat an apple, maybe an orange. Right now, I'm headed to morning worship. We have staff worship at 7:30 every morning. Sing some songs and have a little worship, so I'll meet you guys over there. I am unaware of these afflictions eclipse my glory.
Basically says, like Moses, what do you hold in your hand today? To what we're doing are you bound? Give it up, throw it down. You gotta.
Last Monday, we're supposed to recognize student of the week, but we're not installed. So that's the main reason why I'm particular how they should be installed. So that's why I did not inform them to put it on.
All right, so right now we have first period biology, talking about the reproductive system, so it's a lot of fun. Get set up for class right now. Alright. Oh man, what's up? What's up?
What are you guys gonna be talking about today?
Course video, it's about 7 minutes long, I want to say. Then we'll get into our lecture.
Those are only the genitalia, the external sexual organs, and they're really just a means of getting gametes together. Reproductively speaking, they're the least important parts of the system. The ground control of female reproductive anatomy, the place where the orders are given, are...
A lot being thrown at you right now, but we'll take it a little slower, so if you guys want to pull out your notes, we are going to start on our second section that is regarding the female today. First, we're going to talk about what is the structure in the female that actually produces the gametes in the female reproductive system. What was it for males? Produce the gametes. So the T, testes, okay? What were their gametes? What were their sex cells? Sperm, okay, very good. So, now for the female, we have ovaries. What gamete do they produce? You can simply say eggs. One every 28 days. And typically this cycle tends to slow down with age. So when you hit around the age of 50, definitely you'll start to slow down. Unlike what we saw yesterday, we do need a microscope in order to see sperm. All right? The ovaries, okay? So there are two actually in the body, not as big, or almond-shaped structure here we call the fallopian tube or the uterine tube. So there's two interchangeable names here. Call it fallopian / uterine tube. That's where fertilization occurs. Okay? What is the structure that leads from the tube to this muscular looking compartment right here? This is the compartment where the baby is kind of housed and nourished as it's developing. You guys know the name? Uterus. Okay, very good. So this compartment here is the uterus. It has a different layer of muscles, okay, different strata. And obviously we know that it needs to be strong for contraction, rupture, and to release the egg. Okay, and this is what we call ovulation. So fill that first blank in, uterine tube. That's where sperm meets egg, okay? So on that very one passionate night that your parents had, they met, the sperm met egg, okay? Back at the apartment, My free period is usually a time for me to relax, have a little devotional time. I usually make some food during this time or call some family back home. Just finished with my free period. Now I'm on my way to my third period, which is my second section of biology. All right, Jonah, I'm gonna need you to be following along with me, bud. Everybody should have their notes out. All right, we talked about the male reproductive system. We talked about some of the structures in there, as well as how they produce sperm or their seed. Okay, today we're talking about the female. Obviously, at the time of that, they're not yet mature, they're not developed yet to the point where they can't be fertilized. All right, Tui and Jonah, I need you guys following along. Okay, cool. So, Seeger yesterday asked, so how do twins form? But yesterday I said that, right, each egg only gets one sperm. There cannot be two sperms fertilizing one egg. And so, going back to that question, twins are formed, right? We have identical twins and we have fraternal twins. So, identical twins occur when one sperm still fertilizes one egg, but that egg in an early stage of development will begin to kind of split off. So that's why they look pretty much the same, right? Very similar characteristics. What about fraternal twins? Okay, maybe there's a boy and there's a girl. Okay, so at the time of ovulation, when the egg is released, there may be simultaneously another egg that is released then. So two different sperm will fertilize those two eggs, and that's how we get fraternal twins. Twins that are obviously born at the same time, but differing characteristics now. Okay, that was a good question. This is not cloud 9, this is the ovaries. These are the ovaries. These are the ovaries. Hair-looking things protruding off of the ovary leading into that tube. What is that? Is that cilia or flagella? How do we know?
Cilia.
Why cilia?
Because I don't know.
What is the difference between cilia and flagella? Flagella has tail, but what is its purpose? What is its function? Movement. Very good. Okay? Do you think that we need some type of a propeller here? No. Okay? So these little hair things here are cilia. Okay, we have cilia there. This cilia is present so that it can help sweep the egg into that tube. Okay? Does that make sense? Now it's time for my fourth period class. It's my first section of health. What up? Here is my health class here. I am one of the few teachers here that bounce around in different classrooms. So this is where I teach health class. A lot of my fourth period has trouble coming to class, so I'm gonna go yank them in here. Koa, let's go to class. Hurry up. JJ, hurry up, get to class, you're late. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna watch a video clip, a TED Talk on how to make healthy eating unbelievably easy. So all I want you guys to do, you don't need to write any facts, just pull out a sheet of paper, answer one question. What is the presenter's main point? What is he arguing for? All right?
What's the question again? The first one?
What is the presenter's main point? Yeah.
I done percentage.
All right.
Presenter.
All right. So everybody should have a sheet of paper out.
Very happy. The first thing he was really good at was making everybody laugh all the time. Like the one time I got a little bit of protein after workout. He got all excited because he thought I said protein.
So Thursdays are a special day because we have chapel, and so right after fourth period, we head to the chapel, sing a few songs, have a short message, and it's just a great time.
I feel like this, okay? It's not dangerous, God, because it's just one thing. I will do this just one time. Like the snake said to Adam and Eve. God will never kill you because God loves you.
Now it's lunchtime. Typically on different weeks, you have lunch duty, so sometimes we're in the gym supervising, but today I'll be upstairs taking a little break, grabbing something to eat. Today is an interesting lunch. It's a breakfast taco. Let's get it. The lunchtime is over. What usually occurs at lunchtime. Boys love basketball out here. All the little kids out here. Fifth period. Before we watch our TED Talk for the day, everybody say hello to my health fifth period. Hello.
Good luck in medical school.
Thank you.
You better come back.
We love you.
Sumire Fujita. Sumire, come on in. Close the door.
You're the best. Mr.
All right, now that we're done with health class, girls PE coming up. Track day.
Oh, Mr. Why you said tomorrow?
Track. Go down to the track. It's our last one of the year.
No track today.
Yep.
Remember?
All right. Samani. These are some of the PE girls. Maya. We're about to go run some laps around the track. This is their favorite thing to do here.
You really think I would run?
So stay tuned. You'll see the action coming up. 3 laps, go. Ali, Ali, Pali, Pali.
Oh, we're at the track. If you are new to our channel, remember to turn on the post notifications. So post notification shout out to you, M. Johnny M. So guys, we are almost done. There's Jonathan M.
Mr. I'm. We are approaching Mr. I'm people.
That is Mary Rose, Fawn, Sian, Tia, Jeanette, Imani, Shalane. Hi!
Hi guys.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
Hi.
Oh, they're eating. Post notification.
Now it's the boys' turn to head down to the track.
It's your boy. It's your boy.
Get this
Raph.
work.
Well, you can call me anytime.
As you guys can see, it's pretty hard to get the students out here, but it's a good time. We want to get them, keep them active as much as possible, and so now that it's raining, they're actually running. Look at this. When it rains, they run.
That's some cheese.
Go, boy. Rocks. Let's go.
Can I? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an interview with Mr. M. Jonathan M. So yeah, my cousin. Okay. So today we are in his classroom for 2 hours because we have detention. So yeah.
Okay, here's what we're doing for detention today. We are going to, yes, for merits. For merits, you are going to clean up the classroom, pick up the trash, and fix the desks.
Oh my.
All right, we are in our classroom from 3 to 4. It's supposed to be tutoring, but a lot of students don't like to come to tutor, so a lot of them come to clean up, get merits, and some of them serve detention, so it's a fun time for everybody. This one's always in here. Okay, you guys will wipe down each desk with the wipe. Wipe down each desk with the wipe, and I'll give you merits. What's up? Hey, take it easy. Alright, tutoring's over. Good way to disconnect with the students. So now, we're gonna rest up. We have basketball practice in a little bit.
I'm gonna miss you, Mr. 사랑해. 사랑해.
Alright, bro. About to give away one of my shoes to one of my favorite students. Has my name on here. If you want to take a look, it says Mr. M. I have some memory verses: Philippians 4:13, Jeremiah 29:11. Fear God, respect God, remember who you're coming from. Remember that He always has a plan for you. And lastly, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. All right, man, these are for you. Here you go, boss.
Thank you, mister.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, mister.
That's my guy. That's my guy right here. All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Je m'attendais à t'entendre